Wait a minute. A debt collector sued you, and your first thought is, I better pay them. Stop. Don't make that mistake. In today's video, I'm going to show you why you should never rush to pay a debt collector, even if they filed a lawsuit against you. Here's the truth. Over 80% of debt collection lawsuits end in default judgment because people panic, ignore the summons, or they just pay without asking any questions. That default judgment gives debt collectors the legal right to garnish your wages, freeze your bank account, or put liens on your property. But guess what? You have more power than you think. Debt buyers rarely have the original paperwork. They purchase your debt for pennies on the dollar, and most of the time they don't even have the proper documentation to prove you owe what they claim. Paying them without a fight is like handing over money to a stranger who shows up at your doorstep with no proof. Instead of pulling out your paycheck or pulling out your checkbook, here's what I want you to do. I want you to respond to that lawsuit. Don't ignore it. File a response in court the proper way. Don't worry, I'll help you with that. Make them prove it. Demand the original contract, accuracy of the accounting records, chain of custody, legal ownership. Make them prove all of it. Don't worry, I'll help you with that. Challenge all errors. Most of the time, their paperwork is full of mistakes or missing accounting records entirely. That is your defense. When you force debt collectors to prove their case, many of the times they're going to back down and dismiss it before it even gets to the hearing. But they rely on you getting fearful. They rely on intimidating you, not the facts. And if they break the law in the process, like violating the Fair Debt Collectors Practices Act, you might even have a claim against them. So don't let them scare you into paying money you don't even owe them. You have a right, and you can fight back. A lawsuit is not the end of the world. It's the opportunity to level the playing field. If you're facing debt collector lawsuits, don't panic. Get informed. I've got the resources to help. So if you're getting sued by a debt collector, what I want you to do right now, right here and now, time is ticking. You have to respond to that debt collector lawsuit before the time runs out. Go to summonsmaster.com, where you'll get a fully formatted response to every allegation in your summons and a defense to help you win your case. Subscribe to the channel, post your questions and comments. If you need help with your credit, please visit us at thecreditrepairshop.com. Watch the video what makes us different so you can see my 8-point validation process, my 2-phase settlement process. If you need your credit reports and scores, go to the website your3scores.com. Grab your TransUnion, Equifax, Experian credit reports and all 3 scores. Thank you for your time. Subscribe to the channel. Post your questions and comments. This is Stephen A. Williams, President and founder of thecreditrepairshop.com and summonsmaster.com. Thank you.